Nature. The beauty of nature, eh? Nothing can defeat nature. Nothing can defeat nature. You see how greenish it is. How greenish it is. Some people think that Dubai doesn't have a greenish plants. These ones are, where are these ones are from? Where are these ones from? You see the fruits? You see the fruits? Original fruits. Hey, life is beautiful. Life is sweet, my people. Nature is beautiful. Nothing on this earth can defeat nature. Wow. This is a country with intelligent leaders, good governors, good men, mighty people with quality brain. You see how all these things are growing every time to time. This is dead. It is called dead. I don't know the other name I will use to qualify. Okay, and political name. And political name or political name. Which name should I use? It is called Mamanjagba. Mamanjagba. Life is beautiful.